You want to hit a forehand drive? Here's what you need to do. You want to start in the ready position, turn with your racket up. Remember, you're hitting with a loop swing. Watch any pro, they have a loop swing. They don't take the racket straight back. And the reason is this: when you turn with the paddle head up and you drop the paddle face down, you're gaining 11 miles per hour in your swing just with this motion. So that's why you want to hit with the loop swing. You swing from low to high, turning high, dropping the paddle face, gaining that miles per hour, that speed, bending with your knees, and swinging up. One of the things that most people don't realize is that when you hit, you're hitting with your whole body. You're not just hitting with your arm. The swing travels with your whole upper shoulder, your whole upper arm, and it turns high, drops down low, but you also want to incorporate your knees. You don't stay low. You bend low, but then lift up. This is where you get the power. Just swinging with your arm doesn't create power. You also want to hit the ball at the side. Contact is made away from your body. You hit too close to your body, you don't have any power. Hitting out to the side doubles your power. One of the things you also want to do is keep your head steady at contact. Remember, there's a 200 millisecond delay between you hitting the shot and your brain processing it, meaning that your shot is hit 200 milliseconds after your brain's already processed it. You might look up to see where the ball goes, but your paddle hasn't even hit it yet. So keep your head stationary at contact. After you think you've hit, or even maybe a little bit thereafter, then you can look up. Remember, you don't have to see what your opponent's doing. You have the ball, you're the one hitting it. So make sure you try to take another second or two before you look up. So this is how it'll look in real time. Turn, you're hitting that loop swing. You're not taking it back like this. Turn with the paddle head high. Now you're gonna watch, I'm gonna bend, drop the paddle face, and I'm gonna swing from low to high. And when I do so, I'm gonna step out and turn with my body. You're coiling and uncoiling for that power. Remember, you keep your eye on the ball. You're not seeing it, but the concept is keep your eye on the ball and your head is stationary. Leads to less unforced errors. Now, how much topspin you hit will be dictated by how much you brush up the back of the ball and your paddle speed. You swing from low to high very fast with a vertical paddle face, because that's what gets the power, the topspin. You swing from low to high with a vertical paddle face, you're gonna get a lot of topspin if your paddle speed is fast. You still, though, wanna have the knees, body into it, and coiling, stepping forward, uncoiling. You don't swing across the ball. It's a low to high swing. And if you're hitting the ball on the run, it's the same concept. It's just a more abbreviated swing. It's a shorter loop. Just remember, there's always the loop, whether or not you're hitting it on the run, you're hitting it out of the air, or you're hitting a ground stroke where you have a lot of time. The faster that you set up to the ball, the more time you have to swing properly. If you're not setting up quickly, you're gonna lead to a rush shot and most likely not contact the ball at the proper point. So set up quickly, boom. Then you have all the time in the world. You're swimming in time before the ball comes and you hit it. And you can make sure that you technically and mechanically hit the ball correctly. For more instructional pickleball videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button.